Hello everybody, welcome back to Piggy. I'm speaking in about a minute. In this video, I'm going to play this called construction site. Oh, that's early. That's early. Whoa, that's early. Oh my god! And isn't that because man was actually but when I wasn't recording or yeah. No. I didn't look at. Oh my god! This is so bad. Listen, where's the place? Let's go that bookie again. I guess spotted me a bit. Not done. Yeah, I told you don't get spotted. I'm making it all. I have to make sure that the necessary assess to survive this. Oh my goodness. I'm here and must check that this wire is gone. I hope so. Ah! Oh thank God. Oh my, not again. I told you don't spot at me. This is all. This is the same time, and this is and this is the last time I've been. Radios. When the necessary sector died, yeah, it looks like that. If it starts getting loud, that means it's getting close. Ooh. Don't tell me. Oh my goodness, don't tell me I have to spend this with him. Come on, don't tell me this. Please don't do something to me. Freaky. What's hitting me? Why is it making so hard? Everyone just want to get that construction site badge. Imagine this. Oh, yes, 7. 10 was free. Don't you dare do this this time. And why did this sometimes cheating? This. And this is the showcase of the new skin. And this is the showcase of the new skin called necessary. That's I don't like that name. So I'm going to say something about this first. I'm going to say about this. Actually, this is not the same eye as others. This is a black eye. This is a purple eye. And this is the focus of a new skin. And this is unaffected. This is also the main bar of new of fan-made forgotten mistake plan. I wish I really could edit this. This skin will be the best skin ever. And this skin, I don't know, but I wish that Medicine could add the same purple eye of nothing. That one. And this skin will have this skin. And I wish that he would be the main part. And I wish that he would be the main part of the new map. Bro, you're copying my style. You're copying my style. But this time I'm going to show something. There will be some new decorations of this map. In this map, we'll have the same location of the construction site. One of his, but I wish that this skin will be named. One of his, I wish that this skin will be named. And I wish that this skin will be named. And I wish this skin will be named Lottie. Yeah, that's the perfect name for the new skin. Lottie. Like of the player. Bro, what the? I really hate this skin though. And this one will be Monster. Yeah. This skin is a hilarious skin. Why did I have to do that? Too. That makes nonsense. Why? Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah, this guy's actually innocent. This guy's actually innocent and kind. But he'll be mad at only sometimes. And this skin would be the main, would be the crew members, the fake man. And what about this skin? And this skin will be named this skin will be just. I didn't have much time, but this one doesn't have a name, but this one will be named. Yeah. Rosie, yeah, this skin will be named Rosie, just like Rosie Rabbit. And this one will be Rosie Stevens. And